Vowels and consonants. Udaume na mgbochi ume. Udaume na mgbochi ume. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll be talking about Igbo vowels and consonants. Udaume na mgbochi ume. Let's start. Ka anyị bido. In Igbo, we have 8 vowels in Igbo, which are a, e, i, e, o, o, ọ, u, o. Likewise, in English alphabets, we have A, E, I, O, U. Now, in Igbo, when we talk about phonics, there are some alphabets in Igbo that has 2 pronunciations, just with the appearance of maybe a sign or a symbol. For instance, we have A, E, I, which is letter I, letter I. Then you have the A sound, which is I with a dot beneath. A, the I with a dot beneath. O, the O with a dot beneath. O, the O with a dot beneath. O, that is the U with a dot beneath. The U with a dot beneath. O. Okay, outside this, we have other alphabets. B, Ch, D, F, G. These other alphabets serves as consonants in Igbo alphabets. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new content. Do not forget as well to practice so as to internalize Igbo language.